Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of NEOPEPE, also known as $NEOP, a new crypto coin that's capturing attention with its unique blend of the popular Pepe meme and the NEO blockchain. As a meme coin, NEOPEPE aims to leverage viral appeal and community engagement, offering a fun and potentially rewarding experience. Currently, NEOPEPE is in its pre-sale phase, presenting an opportunity for those interested to get in early. However, remember that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. OPEPE, symbolized as $NEOP, is a memecoin operating on the ETHEREUM blockchain. It creatively blends the iconic Pepe the Frog meme with elements of the NEO blockchain's visual identity and branding. As a memecoin, its primary purpose revolves around community engagement and, inevitably, speculation within the cryptocurrency market. Highlighting its foundation, NEOPEPE is built directly on the ETHEREUM blockchain. Why should you consider investing in NEOPEPE? Well, first, it taps into the meme coin market, offering high potential for virality and community-driven growth by leveraging the popularity of both Pepe and NEO. Secondly, being an early adopter during the pre-sale gives you the advantage of potentially lower prices, offering the opportunity to accumulate tokens before they become widely available. A strong community can significantly contribute to the token's value, and active development alongside vibrant engagement could drive further adoption. Finally, NEOPEPE operates on the Ethereum network, giving it the benefit of Ethereum's inherent security and stability, as well as access to a broad ecosystem of DeFi tools and exchanges. Read what you need to know about the NEOPEPE pre-sale. First, make sure you're aware of the pre-sale start and end dates, as these define the window of opportunity to participate. Next, take note of the token allocation, which tells you what percentage of the total $NEOP supply is being offered during this pre-sale. It's also crucial to know the price of $NEOP during the pre-sale, as this is your cost basis. Be sure to check the minimum and maximum purchase amounts to understand any limitations on how much you can buy. Finally, confirm which cryptocurrencies are accepted. For example, the pre-sale might accept ETH. Read how to buy NEOPEPE during the pre-sale. First, acquire ETH or Ethereum from a reputable exchange. Next, you'll need to set up a compatible Ethereum wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once your wallet is ready, visit the official NEOPEPE pre-sale website. We'll provide a link in the description. Connect your wallet to the pre-sale platform. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to participate in the pre-sale by sending your ETH. Confirm the transaction, and then wait for the NEOPEPE token allocation. It's important to ensure you're on the official NEOPEPE website to avoid scams, so please double-check the URL. Always double-check the contract address before sending ETH to verify its authenticity. And finally, be aware of gas fees on the Ethereum network, as these can fluctuate. Vesting in memecoins like $NEOP comes with significant risks that potential buyers should carefully consider. Due to their speculative nature, memecoins are known for extreme volatility, experiencing rapid and unpredictable price fluctuations. Furthermore, $NEOP might lack intrinsic value or practical applications, with its value driven primarily by market hype and sentiment. The memecoin space is also susceptible to scams and rug pulls, where developers abandon a project after raising funds, leaving investors with worthless tokens. Liquidity can also become a problem, particularly after the initial excitement diminishes, making it difficult to buy or sell the token. Finally, the value of $NEOP is heavily reliant on the strength and continued enthusiasm of its online community, which can be fickle and subject to sudden shifts in interest. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please. Let's quickly recap the key aspects of NEOPEPE and its ongoing pre-sale. It's vital to remember that cryptocurrencies, especially new meme coins like this, carry significant risks, and thorough research is essential before investing any of your funds. If you're interested in learning more or potentially participating in the NEOPEPE presale, head over to the official website for all the details. However, please only invest what you can comfortably afford to lose. For the latest updates and community discussions, you might also consider joining the NEOPEPE community on various social media platforms.